Choledocholithiasis, CBD stones. 1. Overview. Choledocholithiasis refers to the presence of stones in the common bile duct, CBD, which can occur either as primary or secondary stones. Primary CBD stones typically arise de novo in the bile duct and are usually brown pigment stones, which form as a result of bacterial infections in the bile. These stones are commonly seen in Asian populations. Secondary CBD stones typically originate from the gallbladder and migrate into the bile duct. These stones are more prevalent in Western populations, including the United States. Retained stones are secondary stones found in the bile duct after cholecystectomy, occurring in 1% to 2% of patients within 2 years of surgery. 2. Clinical presentation. Asymptomatic choledocholithiasis, often discovered incidentally during biliary imaging. Symptomatic cases. Symptoms range from biliary colic, intermittent pain due to obstruction, to obstructive jaundice, which is marked by dark urine, scleral icterus, yellowing of the whites of the eyes, pale stools. Acute jaundice. Painful jaundice occurs when obstruction develops quickly, causing rapid bile duct distension, which activates pain fibers. Cholangitis. A serious complication of choledocholithiasis, which is an ascending bacterial infection of the bile duct due to obstruction and increased intraluminal pressure. The classic presentation of cholangitis is the Charcot triad. 1. Right upper quadrant pain. 2. Fever. 3. Jaundice. If left untreated, it can progress to septic shock, Raynaud's pentad, with mental status changes and hypertension, which can be fatal without prompt treatment. Charcot triad plus shock plus with mental status change is equal to Raynaud's pentad. 3. Diagnosis. Clinical signs. Biliary type pain, jaundice, and abnormal liver function tests, along with a dilated bile duct, usually greater than 8 mm, suggest choledocholithiasis. Imaging. Ultrasound, first-line imaging, especially for detecting gallstones or bile duct dilation. MRCP, a non-invasive imaging modality that is highly sensitive, greater than 90%, and specific, greater than 99%, for detecting CBD stones. However, it remains a diagnostic tool, and further intervention like ERCP is required for treatment. ERCP is both a diagnostic and therapeutic procedure with high sensitivity and specificity. It is effective in clearing the duct in over 75% of cases during the first procedure and in up to 90% with repeated ERCP. It is often used as the initial intervention for removing stones in the bile duct. 4. Treatment options. ERCP. Endoscopic sphincterotomy and stone extraction is the most common treatment. This involves cutting the sphincter of OD to facilitate stone removal. ERCP can clear the bile duct of stones, either preoperatively or during the surgical process. If ERCP is unsuccessful, it helps guide the next steps in treatment. Common reasons for ERCP failure include large stones, greater than 2.5 cm, altered anatomy, example, after Rauch-Senway gastric bypass, impacted stones, multiple stones, or intrahepatic stones. CBD exploration. In cases where ERCP is unsuccessful or not an option, example, due to altered anatomy, CBD exploration can be done via 1. Laparoscopic or 2. Open surgery to remove stones directly from the duct. C. Percutaneous transhepatic cholangiography, PTC. This is an alternative for patients in whom ERCP fails or is technically difficult, example, in patients who have had Rauch-Senway surgery. PTC is as effective as ERCP in patients with a dilated bile duct but less effective in those with a non-dilated system. 5. Intraoperative management. If choledocholitis is identified during cholecystectomy, gallbladder removal, it can be managed either by 1. CBD exploration at that time or 2. Through post-operative ERCP to remove the stones. 6. Post-treatment considerations. Patients who have choledocholitis but do not undergo cholecystectomy may continue to have recurrent symptoms due to underlying gallbladder dysfunction. Therefore, after successful stone removal from the bile duct, cholecystectomy is often recommended to prevent further issues related to gallstones. Summary. Choledocholitis is a condition characterized by the presence of stones in the common bile duct, which may be primary, developing within the duct, or secondary, migrating from the gallbladder. Symptoms can range from asymptomatic to severe obstructive jaundice or cholangitis. Diagnosis is typically confirmed using imaging techniques such as MRCP or ERCP. Treatment involves the use of